Owning your own home starts with a dream, a place to call yours, a sanctuary where you can build your life and create lasting memories. It's a vision of a cozy space filled with warmth and love. Imagine a home filled with laughter, cherished moments, and maybe even a loyal dog wagging its tail in the living room. It's a place where every corner holds a story and every room is a chapter in your life. But the journey to those keys is more than just picking a house. It's a winding road with surprises. It involves navigating through various options, making tough decisions, and sometimes facing unexpected challenges. Beyond the excitement of choosing paint colors and imagining your garden, there's a world of paperwork and unexpected costs. It's about understanding the fine print, managing your finances, and preparing for the unexpected. Think of this as your guide to the financial side of buying a home. We'll walk you through the essential steps, from securing a mortgage to understanding closing costs. We'll break down the big and small costs, so you're ready for every step. From the initial down payment to the ongoing maintenance expenses, we've got you covered. By the end, you'll be prepared to make your dream a reality, without any nasty surprises. Let's dive in and turn that dream of your own little castle into a beautiful reality. First up, let's talk about the down payment. This is the initial lump sum of money you pay up front when buying a home. It's your way of showing the seller and the bank that you're committed and financially prepared to take on home ownership. The down payment is often the biggest single payment you'll make in the entire process, and it can take years of saving to reach your goal. Traditionally, buyers put down 20% of the home's price, which can be a hefty sum. But don't worry, there are loan programs out there that allow you to put down as little as 3% or 5%. These lower down payment options can make homeownership more accessible, especially for first-time buyers or those who haven't had years to save. If you put down less than 20%, you'll likely have to pay something called private mortgage insurance, or PMI. This is an extra monthly cost added to your mortgage payment. PMI doesn't protect you. It protects the bank in case you can't make your payments. It's important to factor this into your budget, as it can add up over time. For most people, buying a home means taking out a mortgage, a long-term loan from a bank or lender. You'll repay this loan in monthly installments, which are split between the principal, the amount you borrowed, and the interest, the cost of borrowing that money. Mortgages usually last 15 to 30 years, so it's a big commitment. Your monthly mortgage payment will likely be your biggest recurring expense, so it's crucial to be realistic about what you can comfortably afford. Remember, you'll also need to budget for property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintenance costs, which can add up quickly. A good rule of thumb is to keep your total housing costs, including your mortgage, taxes, and insurance, to about a quarter of your monthly income. This helps ensure you have enough left over for other expenses and savings. It's easy to fall in love with a bigger, fancier house, but stretching your budget too far can lead to financial stress. Don't let excitement push you into a home that's more than you can handle. Take the time to plan your finances carefully, set a realistic budget, and stick to it. Being thoughtful now will help you avoid feeling squeezed by your mortgage later on. With the right mortgage and a smart plan, your dream home can be a source of happiness and security, not a financial burden. Let's keep moving forward. Next, let's talk about some of the hidden costs that can catch first-time home buyers off guard. Appraisals and inspections. These aren't just extra fees, they're crucial steps in making sure your investment is sound and your new home is truly worth what you're paying. First up is the appraisal fee. Before a bank will approve your mortgage, they'll send out a professional appraiser to evaluate the property's value. The appraiser's job is to make sure the house is actually worth the amount you've agreed to pay. This protects both you and the lender from overpaying. The cost for this service usually falls between $300 and $600, and it's paid by you, the buyer. Next comes the home inspection, which is your opportunity to really get to know the house before you commit. Think of it as a health checkup for your future home. A professional inspector We'll examine everything from the roof to the foundation, checking for issues like leaks, faulty wiring or structural problems. You'll get a detailed report outlining any concerns, big or small. Inspections typically cost between $300 and $500, but this upfront expense can save you thousands of dollars in unexpected repairs down the road. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. If the inspection uncovers problems, you have the power to negotiate with the seller. You might ask them to make repairs, or you could agree on a lower purchase price to cover the cost of fixing things yourself. These steps aren't just formalities. They're designed to protect your investment, help you avoid costly surprises, and ensure your new home is safe and sound for you and your family. So don't be tempted to skip them. Appraisals and inspections are worth every penny, giving you confidence as you move forward on your home buying journey. Onward. Now for the big surprise, closing costs. These are a bundle of fees, usually 2 to 5% of the home's price, paid at the final signing. They cover things like loan origination, title search and insurance, legal paperwork, and government recording fees. You may also prepay property taxes and homeowners insurance into an escrow account. Each fee adds up quickly, so review your closing disclosure carefully before signing. Ask questions about anything that looks off. This is your last chance to catch mistakes. Closing costs can be a shock, but knowing what to expect keeps you in control. Let's keep going. Once you move in, new regular expenses begin. Property taxes fund local services and are based on your home's value, often rolled into your monthly mortgage payment. Homeowners insurance is required by lenders and protects you from disasters or theft. It also covers liability if someone gets hurt on your property. If your home is in a community with an HOA, you'll pay monthly or yearly fees for shared amenities and maintenance. HOA fees can range from $50 to several $100s a month. These ongoing costs are part of home ownership. Budget for them from the start. Let's talk about moving in. Moving day brings its own expenses. Hiring movers, renting a truck, buying boxes, and maybe pizza for your helpers. Even a DIY move adds up, so plan ahead. Once inside, you'll likely need new curtains, tools, or appliances, plus a little cash for immediate repairs or updates. No house is perfect. Expect a few fixes, from leaky taps to paint jobs. Set aside a small emergency fund for these first projects. Being prepared makes your new house feel like home faster. Almost there. Home buying is a big adventure, but a smart plan makes it manageable. Save more than just your down payment. Set aside 3-5% extra for closing and move-in costs. Get pre-approved for a mortgage to know your true budget and strengthen your offer. Compare lenders, shop for the best rates, and don't be afraid to ask questions about any fee. Use your inspection report to negotiate repairs or closing cost help from the seller. With knowledge and preparation, you'll avoid surprises and enjoy the journey. Your dream home is within reach. Plan well.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.